Mga kapuso, narito tayong muli sa GMA I Am Ready Command Center upang pag-usapan natin anong inaasahan nating magiging weather condition for the next several days, lalong-lalo na at malapit na ang tagulan. For the past several days, dito sa Metro Manila, nakaranas na tayo ng mga pagulan, lalong-lalo pagdating ng hapon at gabi, as well as in some areas in Luzon, as well as in the Visayas. Tag-ulan na nga ba? Malapit na ba ang tagulan? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. Well, dito sa wind map ng the weather company, makikita natin na mayroon ng southwest wind flow. Pero sa ngayon, ang namamayani pa rin sa atin ay southerly to southeasterly wind at yung intertropical convergence zone ang nakakapekto dito sa Mindanao, samantalang reach ng high pressure area naman dito sa may Luzon. But based from this wind map, mararanasan na natin yung pagbabago ng ihip ng hangin from southerly to southeasterly to basically southwesterly wind flow. Now, saan ba galing itong southwest wind flow na ating nararanasan pagsimula ngayong ganitong mga buwan? Galing itong southwest flow dito sa isang malaking high pressure area in southern hemisphere, particularly dito sa may Australia. At kumikilos yan going towards the northwest, and then right after crossing the equator, it will veer towards the northeast or galing sa direction coming from the southwest, kaya tinatawag nating southwest wind flow or hanging habagat. Most likely on Tuesday, magsisimula na nating maramdaman yung epekto ng hanging habagat na kung saan magkakaroon na ng mga pagulan dito sa Luzon as well as in some parts of the Visayas, particularly sa western section. Sa rainfall pattern, maagang pag-ulan mararanasan dito sa may western part ng Cebu, pero dito sa Mindanao, specifically western section like Zamboanga region, Soxargen, and ARMM, may mga afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Lalo dito rin sa Luzon, dyan sa may northern and central sections. Weekend weather for selected cities. Sa Baguio City, yung mga pupunta dyan, expect cloudy condition tomorrow with light rains, particularly in the afternoon. Pero pagdating ng Linggo hanggang Wednesday, magkakaroon na ng mas magandang lagay ng panahon, pero expect light rains, lalong-lalo na pagdating ng hapon. Pagdating ng Tuesday and Wednesday, posibleng maapektuhan na sila nitong pag-ihip ng hanging habagat. Doon naman sa mga pupunta ng La Union, lalong-lalo na dyan sa may San Fernando, magandang lagay ng panahon ng maasahan dyan, pero meron pa rin mga mahihinang pag-ulan lang naman. And then, starting Tuesday and Wednesday, it will be a little bit cloudy with rainy condition, although light pa lang naman yan, and that is associated with the strengthening of the southwest wind flow. At sa Visayas naman tayo pupunta sa Cebu City, expect light rains with some cloudy skies from Saturday up to Wednesday. Hindi sila masyadong apektado nitong paglakas ng hanging habagat. Yung mga pupunta ng Boracay, may mga pagulan, although mahihina lamang yan. And then Sunday, Monday, much better weather condition. But by Tuesday and Wednesday, mayroon ding mga pagulan, particularly during the afternoon. Sa Davao City, good weather condition. Of course, mayroon pa rin mga thunderstorm in the afternoon or early evening mula Sabado hanggang Lunes. But Tuesday and Wednesday, cloudy skies with rain showers. And in Siargao, Surigao del Norte, yung mga magsa-surfing, good weather condition, particularly this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, walang masyadong ulan. But on Monday, starting Monday up to Wednesday, may mga pagulan not associated with a southwest wind flow, but most likely convergence siya ng hangin dito sa may Siargao. So mula dito sa GMA I Am Ready Command Center, ito po si Nathaniel Cruz, ang inyong naging tagapag-ulat.